Hey guys, what's up? It's Halloween drawings and I love the season, so hopefully you do too. Today we're gonna go over how to draw a skeleton hand, a real cartoony one. I hope it's really easy for you to do because I think it's super easy. If you're a beginner, you're a child, you're a kid, you're an adult, anything, follow along with me. I'm gonna be using this marker and that's it. Let me get some more light in here. All right, let's do it. So I'm gonna start. My cat is making noise. Kind of with a heart shape at the very end. I'm gonna pull up. This is gonna be the wrist. So that's the wrist. It's just basically like a cartoony style bone. We're gonna simplify stuff, right? Because this is just a cartoony form of it. So for the phalanges, stuff like that, or what is it? Carpal, metacarpal, stuff like that. I can't remember if that's the feet or the hand bones. We're just gonna simplify with two little blocks like that. Main palm is gonna be just that block, a larger block. Wrist bone as well. Again, we're just throwing little blocks, super easy, guys. Just little block. It doesn't have to be even in that position, really. Main block, a couple blocks around it. We're going into the thumb first. And see, I'm going to throw a longer one here, and I'm just going to divide it up because, you know, there's more the knuckles and stuff like. You don't really have to count it if you don't want. I'm going to pull this out. A heart here, kind of that heart shape, but it's going to be like a smaller version of this large bone here, okay? And I'm going to pull, obviously, the 4 fingers. Don't be freaked out. I know at this point you might have possibly a mess, but it's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. So now you have kind of this row of fingers, right? All the way to the knuckle, the first knuckle. Now we're gonna add 2 more parts to it. Okay? Let's see if this is on camera. We're gonna continue on. Add that block. And add like a slightly smaller block to all of them. Another block. And that's it. You're adding, so if you look at your own, you always have your own hand as reference, by the way. So if you look at, you know, this knuckle area and then so on, you can kind of count them up. And if you really want, you can unify it, which is what I'm gonna kind of do right now. I'm going to throw some thicker lines around the outside of it, even though they are separated. I'm going to try to connect them. To kind of unify them. Just going to connect the outside. And that should be it. That's enough for just a cartoon skeleton hand. So thank you so much. I hope that was easy enough to do. You can make various versions of it. Hopefully that was fun. And I will see you in the next Halloween video. If you guys want me to post 2 videos a day until Halloween, we got roughly 5 or 6 days, I'll do that. So talk to me later, guys.